tips for working with heating and air conditioning contractors in Exton, PA. Working with contractors can be very stressful, especially when you're trying to ensure that you have proper heating and cooling to keep your family comfortable. But it does not have to be difficult. Here are a few tips that'll make your experience with Exton heating contractors go smoothly. Important tip: only work with reputable companies. Before you even consider working with a contractor, try to choose one that's reputable. In other words, never hire an HVAC company that does not have any backing to show that they're professional and can provide the results you need. Also, make sure the contractor you choose is properly licensed with the state of Pennsylvania and provides proof of current insurance. Important tip: get a detailed, written estimate and contract. A reputable Exton heating and cooling company will be happy to provide detailed estimates, as well as a detailed contract. This is going to protect both you and the service provider. It will give you both something to refer to in the event there is ever a disagreement or other issue. Do not skip this part. Also, make sure everyone signs the contract before the work begins. Important tip: be careful not to make your choice based solely on price. When you're gathering bids for your Exton heating and cooling job, remember to focus on the overall quality of work and equipment, and not just on the bottom line cost. Some contractors compete strictly on price, and the work may not be the kind of quality you desire. Also, many times choosing the provider with the lowest upfront cost can end up costing you more in the long run, due to poor workmanship or inferior quality materials or equipment that end up needing premature repairs. Important tip: assign just one person to be in charge. When working with our Exton heating and cooling company, it is best that only one person in your family is responsible for interactions with the company. It can be very confusing for both you and the company if everyone in the family is telling him something different. So decide which of you will be that one point of contact, to keep things simple. Important tip: communicate in writing whenever possible. Make an effort to do most of your communication with your Exton heating and air conditioning contractor in writing, so that you have a record of every discussion. Most people today utilize email, so that shouldn't be difficult. Even if you talk to the contractor in person, follow it up by sending an email to summarize what you talked about, and to ask for confirmation. Important tip: make sure you do your part to help. Working with an Exton heating company does not have to be difficult or confusing. And it's important for you to do your part to make the process flow as smoothly as possible. There are plenty of stories of contractors not getting work done on time, and not coming in on budget. However, if you talk to many of those companies, you'll find that some couldn't complete the work on time and within budget due to the customer changing the scope of the project, or otherwise interfering with project completion. If you are in need of a qualified, professional, heating and air conditioning company in the Exton area, contact AQM today. Call us now, at 610-363-3940. Or visit us online at www.callaqm.com.